Join me as I take on the challenge to get fit fast with a series of intense HIIT workouts. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, has taken the fitness world by storm, and for good reason. It's a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. This approach has been shown to be incredibly effective for burning fat, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting metabolism. The concept of HIIT isn't new, but its popularity has grown exponentially over the years. It was first popularized by Japanese coach Izumi Tabata in the 1990s, and since then, numerous studies have validated its effectiveness. Notable fitness experts have also contributed to its widespread adoption. One of the best things about HIIT workouts is their time efficiency. You can get an amazing workout in just 20 to 30 minutes, making it perfect for busy professionals. HIIT is also adaptable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, you can modify the intensity and duration to suit your needs. This adaptability, combined with the potential for significant fat loss, has made HIIT a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. For one, it improves cardiovascular health by pushing your heart rate up and down repeatedly. This not only strengthens your heart, but also increases your endurance. Additionally, HIIT workouts have been shown to boost metabolism, helping your body burn more calories at rest. They also promote fat loss, particularly belly fat, which is often the most challenging type to lose. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Here are some great exercises for HIIT workouts. Tabata, 20 seconds of maximum effort of sprinting or push-ups, followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 2 to 8 rounds. Circuit training. Choose 4 to 6 exercises and perform each for 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Exercises like jump squats, mountain climbers, and kettlebell swings. Body weight HIIT. No equipment needed. Just use your body weight for resistance. Exercises to do: burpees, high knees, lunges, and push-ups. Running intervals. Alternate between sprinting and walking. Sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 1 minute. Repeat for 10 to 20 minutes. Bike sprints. Use a stationary bike or outdoor cycling. 1 minute of all-out effort followed by 2 minutes of light cycling. However, like any form of exercise, HIIT comes with its own set of risks. If not done correctly, it can lead to injuries, particularly to the knees and joints. It's crucial to warm up properly before starting a HIIT workout and listen to your body and take rest days as needed. Here's a great structure to follow for HIIT workouts. Warm up. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up your muscles with dynamic stretches or light cardio. Work intervals. Choose the duration for high-intensity intervals, typically 20 to 60 seconds, and rest intervals, typically 10 to 30 seconds. Exercise selection. Incorporate a mix of cardio and strength for a balanced workout. Cool down. Finish with 5 to 10 minutes of low-intensity activity and static stretching to help your body recover. Here are some tips for your HIIT workouts. Always listen to your body. If you're new to HIIT, start with shorter intervals and longer rest periods. Gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. Stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated. Mix it up. Vary your exercises, durations, and rest intervals to keep your workouts fresh and challenging. Track your progress. Keep a journal of your workouts to monitor improvement in performance and endurance. Personally, I've experienced incredible benefits from incorporating HIIT into my routine. Not only have I seen significant improvements in my physical health, but I've also noticed a boost in my mental well-being. The variety of HIIT workouts keeps things interesting, preventing boredom and keeping me motivated. In conclusion, I highly recommend HIIT workouts for anyone looking to get fit fast. They're efficient, adaptable, and effective. I'd give HIIT a solid 9 out of 10, the only deduction being for the risk of injury if proper precautions aren't taken. If you're a busy professional looking to lose weight quickly or just someone who wants to mix up their fitness routine, HIIT is definitely worth trying. I'd love to hear about your experience with HIIT in the comments below. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more content like this one. Check out our next video I think you will love. Thanks for watching.